Hey guys, welcome back to the Creative Restoration channel. I'm Doug Giles. Let's see. We are going to do things different today. We're going to be crazy Russian shoe hacker. Yeah, we'll be crazy Russian shoe hacker. Okay, any of you guys ever have this problem with shoelaces where you go to put shoelaces in and you notice, don't know if you can see on TV, on camera, they are all fuzz bits right here on shoelace. Shoelace is no good. So, hang tight. We're going to show you. This is short video today. We are going to show you how to go about making shoelaces much better. Okay, be right back. Okay, as I said before, is sometimes you go to do the shoelaces and they have fuzz bits all over shoelaces. So today we're going to show you cool trick. So what we have here is beeswax. You take your shoelaces. Can you see shoelaces? Ah, there's shoelaces. You take this beeswax and you rub the shoelaces on the beeswax. You don't need to go very many times. Maybe 2 or 3 passes. Rub the beeswax over the laces and then take fingers and pull through your fingers. Okay, so we take the shoelaces and we grab the beeswax, and when you have the little fuzz bits on shoelaces, you take beeswax and you take shoelace and you run beeswax, run shoelace over beeswax, both sides, run it down. Now what this do, it make the fuzz bits go away, everything stick down. Now it has extra benefit. Make shoelace nice and stiff. Is much better. Also, when you go to tie on shoe, not come undone. I say not come undone. Actually, that's a pretty decent thing to know, is that if you do go over your shoelaces with some beeswax, it does actually lay down the fibers on there. You don't really have to go a lot. I mean, just enough, just a few times over your shoelaces. It will repel water off your shoelaces. It does stiffen up your shoelaces. And when you actually go to tie your knot in it, when you actually go to tie your knot in your shoelace, and forgive me, I'm trying to do this off of a shoe, so let's see. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, when you tie your knot in your shoe, you have the added benefit that it doesn't want to really come, once it's cinched down and you pull tight on there, it does not want to come undone. I mean, it will, one simple pull, but it actually adds a little bit of friction on there. So if you're having problems, with your shoelaces coming undone, pick yourself up a little block of beeswax. Probably cost you somewhere in the neighborhood of I don't know, $3, $4, $5 on eBay. Lasts you a lifetime. It's good for the for your soles, the edges of your soles. Now, by the way, this is a dual purpose video. I did want to show you a little trick with the beeswax and the shoelaces, but also new pair of giveaway shoes. Woohoo! Giveaway shoes. These are Allen Edmonds. Again, I happen to like giving away Allen Edmonds. I get a few pairs for free from guys on the Facebook group that I belong to. These are a pair of Chesters, Allen Edmonds Chesters. They are a wingtip brogue, single sole. I don't know if these are going to be a pair that Steve is going to do a new sole on. Looks like they could probably use it. Looks like the stitches have broken through on the bottom. So these might be a good candidate for new soles. So new soles and heels. But as you can see, they are in need of some help. Don't know what I'm going to do with them. If you're interested in winning these shoes, these are an 11D. So these might actually fit a few more guys than what the last two giveaway shoes that I did were. That, you know, they didn't really fit all that many guys. There were a few. But these are 11Ds, so these should fit quite a few more guys. If you have any suggestions as to what I can do with them, or what you'd like to see me do with them, leave some comments in the leave me a comment in the down below in the comment section. These are, I guess you'd call them a Merlot or a dark chili. Kind of dark. I might be able to lighten them up. Don't know yet. I do know I want to completely strip them down. Maybe obviously get rid of all of the wrinkles in them. They look like they've got quite a bit of a wax buildup on them. Yeah, they need some help, and I'm going to give them the help. And I will talk with Steve and see if he's interested in putting a new set of soles on these. If he's not, they'll be going out with the soles that they have. Now, on another note, the Maxfields that we gave away, we ended up getting those back. One of the, like I had said before, one of the guys on the Allen Edmonds group actually ended up buying those, and he has sent those straight over to Preston Soto with the Elegant Oxford. Some of you guys came to my channel from the Elegant Oxford. Some of you guys came to my channel from Bedo's Leatherworks. Well, those shoes are actually going to be on their way now over to Preston. Preston's going to do a video on them, and he's going to give them away again. So hopefully we can manage to find somebody that they'll fit, and that will keep them. And also, on another note, just to let you guys know what the latest status is on the guy that won those shoes and was supposed to be reimbursing for winning them, you know, for selling them. I still haven't heard anything back from him. He offered to pay to you know, to send over the funds for them. I still haven't heard anything back from him, so I'm guessing that's just not going to happen. I would have liked to have seen him do the right thing, but, you know, and you know, see to it that some other guys could end up with some shoes, but I guess that's just not going to happen. So, I guess we'll just end up, you know, with some other donated shoes, you know, and I'll go on eBay myself and I'll buy more shoes that we can give away. So, yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me do with these Chesters. They're kind of a dark color. I'm guessing they're either, it looks like they're Merlot. Kind of hard to see. My camera light up here is dead, so unfortunately I don't have quite as much bright light in here. These Chesters look like they're either a Merlot or a dark chili, and I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but they are a full brogue wingtip, leather soles, nice shoes. They feel like they're nice and soft as well. So whoever gets these is going to have a real nice pair of shoes. These should be comfortable to whoever gets them right out the box. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see me do with these Chesters. Y'all take care.